Track 5.
Hey Mark, are you still interested in coming on a week's adventure holiday with me this summer?
Of course, but can we go in August? I can't do June or July because of college.
Yeah, sure. I guess we need to book soon. There's a company called World Trek that my friend told me about. He went on one of their cycling holidays last year and loved it. There's lots of information on their website.
Really?
Yes. They do different kinds of adventure holidays. There's one by the sea with lots of water sports and another in the forest where you can do hiking and cooking and you learn how to cook outdoors. The one I like best is in the mountains. We can do things like climbing and whitewater rafting. What do you think?
That sounds amazing. Is it expensive?
So. There's a special offer on at the moment. Normally the price is £650, but if you book before Friday, it's £500. The sailing holidays are £800, so it's not bad.
What does that include?
Transport, accommodation and our guide. We only have to pay for meals and drinks.
That's really good, isn't it? Let's book tonight. Shall I come to your place this evening around 7?
Can you come at 8? I've got a tennis lesson until 7:30.
Yes, sure. See you then.